Today, we will learn about the barber shop. We will learn cut, comb, and style. Let's discover different tools together. Are you ready to have some fun? Coconeon is a bright watermelon friend. Coconeon has neon colors that shine. Fred is a happy little boy. Fred loves to explore and learn. They are at the barber shop today. The barber shop is a special place. Coconeon and Fred are ready to learn. They want to know about haircuts. Cutting, combing, and styling hair is fun. Let's learn together, everyone. Cut your hair. Comb with care. Style it right. Let's make our hair look bright. Cut, comb, style today. Join us in our fun play. Look at the chair over there. What color is that chair? It's bright red and very comfy. Let's count the chairs in the shop. 1, 2, 3 chairs to sit. Do you see the big mirror? The mirror helps us see our hair. Can we count the mirrors too? 1 mirror shining so bright. 2 mirrors make it just right. Let's find some tools on the shelf. What tools do you see up there? A comb for our hair to smooth. Scissors to cut it nice and neat. A brush for styling our hair. Can we count the tools together? 1 comb and 2 scissors here. 3 brushes for styling sheet. Cut, comb, style all around. Let's play with hair we found. This is a comb. Say comb. I see a comb at the shop. This is a scissor. Say scissor. I see scissors for cutting hair. This is a brush. Say brush. I see a brush for styling too. Count to 3 with me now. Show 3 tools from the shelf. We counted 3 tools in our shop. We counted scissors, combs, and brushes. Wait your turn when it's time to share. Hands are gentle when we play fair. We try again if something goes wrong. Let's remember to take turns strong. This is a haircut chair. Say chair. I see a chair for cutting hair now. Count to 4 with me today. Show 4 chairs we can use now. We counted 4 chairs in our shop. Great job counting all those chairs. Oh no, what's that on the floor? It looks like some hair that was cut. Coconeon and Fred have an idea. Let's clean up this little mess now. We can use our tools so well. Comb and brush will help us out. Coconeon can help Fred clean up. Together they make it fun and bright. Now let's practice what we learned today. What do we use to style our hair? Your turn. A brush is what we use. What do we say when we see scissors? Say it. Scissors are for cutting hair. One more time. What should we remember about sharing? Your turn. Wait your turn when we play fair. Say it. What color was the barber chair? Pause for answers. The chair was bright red and comfy. Pause for answers. How many mirrors did we count? Pause for answers. We counted 1 mirror shining bright. Pause for answers. What tools did we find on the shelf? Pause for answers.
Combs,
scissors, and brushes too. Pause for answers. Today we learned about cutting and styling. Cut, comb, style, what fun words to use. Remember to be kind while you play. Sharing makes learning even better. Coconeon loved sharing with Fred today. Fred enjoyed learning about the barber shop too. They had so much fun with their friends. Now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you for learning with us today. Keep practicing your cuts and styles right. Coconeon waves goodbye with a smile. Fred says see you next time. Together they sing their happy song. Cut your hair with joy each day. Comb it gently in every way. Style it bright, let's learn and play.